To you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can delete mails from Gmail in bulk. For example, if your Gmail is filled up, if your storage is filled up, and now if you want to clear some emails, I'll show you how you can delete in bulk. So I'm opening my Chrome and see here I have logged into my Gmail and there are a lot of emails already present. So in the promotions tab, if I want to select, I can click on here so that all the mails in this page are selected. Only 54 conversations have been selected, and see there is an option like select all 1.7k emails. Just tap on that. Now all the 1.7k conversation has been selected, and here is the delete option. So if there are any important emails, you need to unselect them. Make sure there will be important emails. First you need to unselect them, then click on this trash icon or the delete icon. When you click on that, it will ask for the confirmation, like whether you want to really delete this bulk deletion. See, I'll show you. See here, confirm bulk action. So as you're deleting lot of emails in a single click, it will ask for the confirmation. If you are very sure, then you can click on OK. So all the 1.7k emails has been deleted. I'll show you another way. On the search bar, you can search like size colon 5 MB and click on enter. Now what I'm doing is I am filtering all the emails on my Gmail which has an attachment or the size of 5 point or more MB. See here, 5.3 MB. So you can change the size also. Now I am filtering it to 10 MB. Now it will display. I'll click on enter. Now it will filter all the emails which are over 10. See here, this is 22 MB. Now I can select these files which are more in size. I can take an action of deletion, but make sure there are few important emails. See here, I'm just unchecking them and then I'm going for the deletion action. This is very important because you'll use your valuable data. Please check once again. And you can also uh, click on a person particular email ID. You can filter with the email ID. If you don't want emails from that person, you can select all of them and you can delete. In this way you can use this bulk action deletion. Select all the 1.6k conversation. You can click on it. It will ask for the confirmation. You can confirm it and they gets deleted. But once they deleted, they will be available in the bin, so they are not totally gone out of Gmail. You need to click on this more option, then click on trash or the bin folder, and you need to clear from the bin also. Then only all these emails will be cleared from the Gmail. So I am selecting here, I am selecting all the conversations in the bin, and I am can choose delete for a forever. So I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.